Hi, welcome to another video on building your own custom Agentic SaaS application. Normally for an Agentic application, you will connect your agent to one LLM, isn't it? In this video, what we're going to see how we can have one agent talk to two different LLMs depending on the use case. If there is a need for reasoning, you can attach a reasoning LLM to the agent, and for normal queries, you can let the agent talk to normal LLM. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. So here we have the main LLM. So all the normal queries will go to main LLM. We also have a reasoning LLM. So reasoning queries can come to the reasoning LLM. So there can be separation between these LLMs. So now if you have different pricing model for these normal LLM and reasoning LLM, etc., this will come really handy. So let's see how it works first. The link to this script will be given in the description, and I am running this in a Python local environment. Question is: solve the trolley problem, evaluate multiple ethical frameworks, including an ASCII diagram of your solution. So here it has given an ASCII diagram of the solution. Okay. And it is giving a nice markdown formatted output. So what is different in this one? Here is the code. See, normally when you define an agent, you only offer one LLM connection. Okay, but here Agno offers a reasoning model. So normal model and a reasoning model where you can attach your second LLM. Okay, so that is this short demo of how we can attach second LLM as a reasoning model. And this is available in Agno. These are very new options that are available. So many of us do not know that these options exist. So these tiny videos will come, give you valuable comments and suggestions on these videos. And please remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.